Hey there, economics students. Welcome to Unit 5. It is on personal finance, and this is the last unit before the end of the course, so congratulations, you made it. You got the last one, and this one is a really fun one, and I think it's just because you actually get to, it's structured very differently. You get to really think about yourself. It's all about you and how you're going to learn to make financial decisions. We're going to talk about topics like money management and borrowing, earning power, investing and saving, we even look a little bit at insurance and risk management. These are really all things that are going to affect you, not only coming up into your, you guys are mostly adults now, but also moving into your adult life, not just your early adult life. These are things that I still deal with myself. It's fun when you're an adult. So we're also going to be able to look at things like upcoming purchases like college or cars. And really, students usually really enjoy this unit because it focuses on them and it really allows you to kind of reflect on your own decisions, okay? As always, let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you guys at finals. Thanks, guys.